following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 6 p.m. At 5:18 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Indiana Harbor to Burns Harbor, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Indiana Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Michigan City, Burns Harbor, Marina Shores Etu Harbor, and Hammond Marina. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Here is the forecast.